right, ladies and gentlemen, let's cue us right straight into the entertainment news. And first up, on the entertainment news, court issues bench warrant for Very Dark Man over Mercy Chinwo defamation case. The Chief Magistrate Court in Wuse Zone 6, Wuse Zone 6 Abuja has issued a bench warrant for the arrest of social media influencer and activist Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Very Dark Man VDM, over charges of criminal defamation against gospel singer Mercy Chinwo. On Thursday, March 13, 2025, Magistrate Emmanuel Iyanna directed the Nigerian police force and other law enforcement agencies to arrest VDM and bring him to court to answer the allegations made against him. The bench warrant was issued after VDM failed to appear in court on March 5, 2025, despite being summoned. VDM's lawyer Deji Adeyanju appealed to the magistrate, offering to personally produce his client in court. However, Magistrate Iyanna rejected the request, insisting that VDM be arrested and presented by security agencies. He says, and I quote, "Yes, a bench warrant has been issued against him for failure to appear in court." Adeyanju confirmed, "They are more interested in a media trial than prosecuting the matter," end quote. Just so you know, the bench warrant follows alleged defamatory statements made by VDM on social media in which he accused Mercy Chinwo of being involved in a contractual dispute and diverting $345,000 related to our former record label boss Ezekiel Onyedikachuku, also known as Easy T. Mercy Chinwo presented documentary evidence in court, including emails and payment receipts, to prove that VDM's allegations were not only false but also damaging to her reputation and public image. If you would recall, Mercy Chinwo's legal team has also filed a lawsuit in the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, seeking 1.1 billion naira in damages from Very Dark Man. The suit demands that VDM retract, delete, and publicly apologize for the false statements made against Mercy Chinwo and her brand. Oh, wow.
So this is following the news we took the other day, because I remember that you said that is it going to obey the courts?
Yeah.
And you're still asking that question, right? Whether it's still going to do that. Yeah. So I'm just going to sit down here, fingers crossed, and see how all of this will unfold.
Well, I mean, I do know that, I don't know if he's still currently out of the country, but I know that he's been in China for a while. I don't know if he's still currently in China, but I mean, at the point that they gave this suit and demanded he, presents himself to court March 5th, he probably still was not in the country at that time yet. But it's not an excuse. There are court procedures, there are court jurisdiction. There are things that you need to follow when you're in the light. But yes, the thing, what's funny about this whole situation was initially he's not even involved in the original matter. Do you get?
I get it.
But as the vigilante that he is,
I mean, the defender
or
of
the defender
universe.
that he is, he comes out and now there's redirection from the main issue to him now, and it's now the focus and it's at the end of the day. I mean, also Mercy Chinwo is fighting for her own self, her name being tarnished here, so it's also understandable. Like you said, let's see how it goes and let's see how it unfolds.
That's right. Let's move to the next story.